Hello fellow nail fanatics, I am back today with UberChic Beauty's Welcome Spring Plate. As you can see, this plate is spring themed and with obviously Easter elements in there as well. So here's a quick little look if that's what you're looking for. And then we'll jump on in. This plate has all of the awesome elements that Brittany is known for in her plates. So got some layering images. Over here she's got this whole little section for do-it-yourself Easter eggs. So you can use these as to turn your nails into Easter eggs and kind of layer. But as usual, I want to encourage you to think outside of that box. Like, for example, look at this. This looks like beach waves, right? So why not use that in manicures for the summer when you're looking for beach manicures? You could put this right here at the bottom of your nail, kind of like a ruffian. I miss that look. I'm going to make a ruffian manicure. I miss that. I haven't done that in forever. But you could have that kind of right here over like blue. You could have that in white or something like that. And it would be a very subtle, simple little beach mani. Do the same thing here with these hearts around Valentine's Day or anytime you want kind of like a love mani. How pretty would this be? Turn it upside down, right? And you can use it for French tips. All of these you could use for French tips however you wanted to. And how cute would this one go with like all of those sweater images for the, you know, this quote unquote ugly sweaters. And then of course you've got these longer hearts here as well. One of my favorite images on this plate, and I know it probably sounds weird, is this one right here. So this reminds me of like the Andy Warhol mod art kind of style, and I could see just like stamping this in different pastels or in different bold bright colors, and either just leaving that blank and having that kind of be your Easter mani, sort of this mod art Easter mani, or sticking little stuff like this. I could see like stamping this in like a bright green and then stamping this in a bright pink or a bright blue and then altering the color scheme, and then you've got your own little Andy Warhol mod art nails. Okay, so she's got all of the great elements. You know, you've got Easter eggs and negative space Easter eggs, so if you've got a beautiful pastel hollow that you want to shine through, that'd be great. Or a beautiful glitter, which would absolutely make, you know, could pop and give the design on those Easter eggs even more depth. Flowers, butterflies, which are, you know, absolutely perfect for spring. And then she's given you enough stuff here and enough layering images here to build your own spring scene. So you've got, you know, little clouds with showers and umbrellas. You've got your butterflies. You've got all kinds of little flowers. So you could build up any kind of scene you want with your little, you know, butterfly. You could, oh, it would be so cute to do like on one nail have it be raining, on the next nail have it be sunny, so like all the different phases of spring since we go through showers and all that other kind of stuff. I don't know what's up with this guy. I don't know if he's a duck-billed platypus or whatever, but he's flippin' adorable. I love him. I also love the kind of do-it-yourself bunny ears. I think it would be so cute to have just like pale like yellow nails and then bunny ears on your accent nail. What a great Easter mani that would be. I would just absolutely adore it. And then if you want to go a little bit more religious, I like that she gives you that option too. So she gives you sort of some classic lilies, which are symbols of Easter, and of course the Easter, the happy Easter, across crown of thorns. If you want to do a mani that, you know, it has a more religious feel to it, it's nice to have that option. And then, you know, the little dove of peace as well. Another one of my favorite images on here is this field of tulips, and I'm just itching to pull out my Sharpies and do like a watercolor mani with this. How gorgeous would that be over just white or even over like a nice light beige? Oh, that would be so beautiful. And then this is another one that just I'm loving about this plate is the do-it-yourself cherry blossoms. So I love cherry blossoms at this time of year. I love the way that they smell, and they're showing up everywhere around my neighborhood. I love going for walks and just smelling that smell. So doing manis that go along with that. So being able to do a gorgeous mani that gives me this beautiful, easy layering, and I don't have to worry about trying to get different colors or polish. I love that. I'm so glad she did that. Here, this is a great, just bold flowers that you color in different, you know, using any technique you want. And then she's got the positive and negative lilies. So if you've got a gorgeous hollow that you want to show off, you can do that. And then the same thing with these bunnies. Especially if you've got kids, Easter can be a busy time, just like Christmas, right? You're coloring eggs and all this other kind of stuff. And so maybe you just want to have some pink nails and stamp some white bunnies, or vice versa, and this is going to be cute and easy and just adorable. So if you've got the time to do something a little bit more complex, or you're feeling a little bit more elegant, you've got that as well. Of course, the same thing with this gorgeous flower here. Perfect for, you know, decals and for reverse stamping. In terms of size, her full nail images are 1.7 by 2.1 centimeters. And here is a quick look at the plate with the ruler, so you can get a feel for how big those other designs are. And you can see they're small. She's keeping most of them small. I mean, this one obviously is going to be more than a full nail, and you can pull from different sizes of that, but all of these other ones are, you know, pretty small and meant to be able to fit and build and have multiples on your nail if you want. All right, for my stamping test, I'm using Sally Hansen Insta-Dry in Midnight Drive. If you can see that, there we go, I think. All right. And I am using my clear stamper. And there's a beautiful stripe of all of that eggy goodness. Very nice quality. And there's a negative space. And that's just perfection. Those fine lines, easy as pie. So gorgeous. Nice solid bunny. There we go. What's your position on solid bunnies? I like solid chocolate Easter bunnies. I hate it when they're hollow and all you get is like this little thin layer of chocolate. Give me a solid bunny or just don't bother. And there's that eggy burst. Now I stamped it a bit low on the nail, but I actually that gives me an idea that it would be pretty cool to actually center it right at the base of your cuticle, right there in your half moon, and have the egg shape and your little thing from it, all the rays coming up. You could actually even turn that into a French manicure if you did it correctly. I like that. Bunny butt. And that fits just perfectly. I love that. Yeah, so, I mean, as usual with UberChic Beauty, just absolutely gorgeous quality, easy stamping. Love it. I will link it down below, and thank you for watching. I can't talk today. I should just give it up. This reminds me of like the oh gosh, what is his name? What is wrong with me today? What is wrong with me today? I can't think, I can't speak, I can't anything.